Want your wax to last longer without irritation or bumps? Today I'll show you 5 simple hacks to get long-lasting, silky smooth skin, fast. Whether you're a busy mom in Toronto, a professional in Berlin, or enjoying the sun in Sydney, these hacks work anywhere. Most women over 40 struggle with redness, bumps, or quick regrowth. These tips solve those common problems. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prep, wax, and care for your skin to keep it smooth for weeks. Smooth skin starts before the wax even touches your body. Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing to remove dead skin and prevent ingrown hairs. The best way to do this is by using a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser to reduce irritation. Avoid chemical peels or other harsh treatments before waxing. Moisturize lightly to keep your skin supple, but avoid heavy creams that could make your skin oily. For example, Londoners in more polluted areas might need to cleanse carefully before moisturizing. Otherwise, dirt and grime could trap bacteria and cause irritation. This extra step will pay off when you see how much softer your skin is. Many women wonder, is it worth getting a wax or should I just shave? Well, a clean canvas makes for the best wax ever. So give this trick a try before your next appointment. And remember, hair should be about 1/4 to 1/2 inch long for optimal waxing results. Skipping prep is the no. One reason your wax doesn't last. The right wax can make your session pain-free and long-lasting. If you have sensitive or mature skin, opt for hard wax. It sticks to the hair, not the skin, so it's gentler and reduces those pesky little bumps. Sugar wax is also a fantastic choice. Not only is it gentle, but it also exfoliates dead skin while removing hair, giving you a smooth, radiant complexion. On the other hand, strip wax is great for less sensitive areas like the legs and underarms. Just ensure the wax isn't too hot, or you might end up with some painful burns. Many women, especially in Melbourne, Australia, swear by the Gentle Touch Sugar Wax Kit. They find it much easier to handle at home, perfect for those with delicate skin who want a flawless finish. A quick tip: break your sections into smaller ones for both precision and comfort. If you've ever had a bad wax, you know how disheartening it can be. But don't worry, a simple change in wax type can transform your entire experience. Your skin's glow depends on what you do after waxing. Applying fragrance-free moisturizer or natural oils like jojoba or almond can soothe and hydrate the skin post-wax. These options are excellent because they're lightweight yet effective. But please avoid tight clothing for the next 24 hours to minimize friction and potential irritation. We know it's easier said than done, but trust me, your skin will thank you for it. And a big no-no: skip the hot showers or saunas for the first day. The steam can open your pores, making it harder for the skin to recover its protective barrier. Instead, opt for lukewarm water and gentle cleansing. After 48 to 72 hours, lightly exfoliate with a gentle scrub to prevent ingrown hairs. But remember, go easy. You want to promote circulation, not cause irritation. For instance, many Nordic women in colder climates like Norway and Sweden use extra care after waxing. They need to keep their skin hydrated because dry, cold weather can wreak havoc on their smoothness. A simple solution: apply gentle cooling compresses with aloe vera or green tea if redness appears. These natural ingredients soothe the skin and reduce inflammation. Post-wax care can double the lifespan of your smooth results. Now let's talk maintenance. Maintaining consistency is key for long-lasting smooth skin. It's crucial to find a balance that suits your lifestyle and skin type. For instance, busy moms in Toronto with young kids benefit from knowing their skin needs extra attention after waxing in the winter months due to dry, cold weather. In contrast, professional women in cities like New York City may find it more convenient to schedule their appointments for regular waxing. But why wait until the last minute? Why not start today? Imagine waking up in the morning before work and scheduling your waxing appointment for that time. In just 30 minutes, you can achieve smooth, radiant skin that boosts your confidence throughout the day. The key is to find a salon that fits your schedule and preferences. A simple rule of thumb: wax every 4 to 6 weeks, depending on your hair growth. Keeping a waxing diary helps track skin reactions to products or techniques. This is especially useful for women over 40 whose skin might change with hormones or seasons. For instance, during winter months, many women in Toronto notice drier skin and adjust their products accordingly. Even small changes can make a huge difference. Now let's talk about a secret weapon for maintaining smooth skin. By combining all these hacks, you can truly make your wax last longer and feel more confident in your skin. Remember, consistency is key. It might take a few tries to find the right combination of products and techniques that work best for you, but once you do, you'll have silky smooth skin that you can be proud of. Small adjustments can make your wax last longer and hurt less. For example, avoid intense workouts or sweating for 24 hours after waxing. Sweating can close your pores, trapping hairs and making your skin prone to irritation. Many women in hot climates like Sydney find this especially helpful. Staying well hydrated is essential for keeping your skin soft and supple. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to flush out toxins and keep your skin healthy. Choose natural, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen after waxing. These materials allow your skin to breathe and reduce the risk of irritation or sweat. Natural remedies like aloe vera or green tea compresses can help soothe irritated skin after waxing. These have anti-inflammatory properties that can calm redness and discomfort. Sydney women, known for their love of waxing, often swear by these natural remedies. Listen to your body. If you're going through hormonal flare-ups or have sensitive skin, consider avoiding waxing during those times. Instead, opt for shaving or hair removal creams. There are fantastic alternatives when your skin needs extra TLC. These little hacks can add days of smoothness to your wax. Finding what works best for you is part of the journey. Don't be afraid to experiment with these tricks and find the perfect combination for your skin. Your body is unique, so why not treat it with the care it deserves? Every woman deserves to feel confident and beautiful in her own skin. With these 5 hacks, you can achieve just that. With these 5 hacks, silky smooth skin is just a dream. It's achievable for women over 40 anywhere in the world. Comment below your favorite hack or your waxing experience. Like and subscribe for weekly pain-free waxing tips and skincare hacks. Check my description for the top recommended wax kits and oils. All products are affiliate links. Thank you for watching. Imagine walking into any beach, meeting or night out confidently showing your smooth skin. Now you can make it last longer and look flawless every time. And that's a wrap, gorgeous ladies. We've decoded the secrets to long-lasting smooth skin. So which tips will you be trying first? Share with us in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video a game changer, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly waxing wisdom. Want to learn more about the best wax kits or natural oils for your skin? Check out the description box for our top recommendations. And remember, you're just a few clicks away from smoother, brighter skin. Happy waxing and take care.